Please remain seated in an upright position and keep your arms and legs well inside the train at all times. Thank you and enjoy your ride on the Sea Serpent.
Guests waiting in line. Shoes are required on this ride. Please do not take off your shoes. While you are waiting, please prepare to place all loose articles, including hats, cell phones, and anything else that cannot be safely secured, into the loose article bag on the exit side of the platform. Morey's Piers and his employees cannot be held responsible for any lost, stolen, or damaged items. If any loose article injures another guest, you will be held liable for their injury. Cell phones are not permitted to be used at any time during the ride. Again, please keep your shoes on no matter what type you are wearing. Thank you.
Please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. At that time, your shoulder harnesses will automatically release. Please gather up all belongings and exit to the right and center of the station. Once again, the exit is to the right and center of the station. Thank you for riding the Sea Serpent.